Yow, 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 yow.
EA Sports. It's in the game.
Hi everyone, I'm James Cebulski. Down at ice level is Ray Ferraro, and we are amped up to bring you what should be a dandy matchup here this evening. International showdown here tonight. Does the environment change when you're playing nationally as opposed to a club?
100% it does, because it's a little bit different. You're not usually with regular teammates, so everything feels a little bit different, but you are playing for your country.
Two teams hungry for 2 points, and we are ready to drop the puck. Well, the hype for this one has been off the hook. Puck is dropped. Let's see if this one actually lives up to it. Puck moved over to Zuccarello. Here's a shot. Footnote scores! On the rebound, he pots it.
The rebound snapped away. What a nice shot. But the goalie's got to do a better job cleaning up that rebound. You can't leave it right there.
Team Norway's got their crowd on their feet. They were just standing for the anthem moments ago.
Sit down, stand back up. What a great start for them here early in the first period.
Italy's won it. Turns the puck over. Great read defensively there. And he's taken down the official's arm, signaling for a penalty. There's the whistle. Let's get the official decision. Looks like tripping the call.
Sometimes they're lazy, sometimes they're just bad luck.
Norway's man advantage unit will take to the ice for the first time tonight.
Key for any team on the power play is to get control of the puck first. So we'll look at the face-off, and this power play at the very least has to generate a little momentum. It's their first crack at it tonight.
Back to the point it goes. Right in front, and that sails over the net.
He likes to go up there. Most times, that's maybe the only open area on the net.
Grabs the puck and moves on out here with this man advantage. Along the half wall with the puck. Moves it around along the half wall. Puck lands right back onto the blade. Takes the puck as the clock ticks down on the penalty kill. And manages to clear the zone. Comes out to play the puck. Scoops up the puck now. Brings the puck into the offensive end now. Takes that pass back at the point. And that's taken by the defense. Gets it out of his own end. Stepping out of the crease now to play the puck. Nice pass. Team Norway's looking to break out. Handles it along the blue line. Sends it over. And that's blocked. Far out. Takes control of the puck. And he uses his reach to disrupt the play. And he gains the zone here. Norway's got the puck behind the net. Italy's trying to make something happen in the offensive zone. And makes the save. Zuccarello's got it on the offensive end. Zuccarello's going to play it against the half wall. Takes the feed. Receives the pass. And that skips away on a nice defensive deflection. Back to the blue line. On the attack along the boards. And the lane's clogged up, blocking that with the stop. Passes the puck over to Zuccarello. And tries to make a diagonal pass to Zuccarello. Picked up along the wall by Zuccarello. Looks to set up at the point now. Sends the pass over. Lets it go. That goes off a twig. They fight for it along the boards. Looking to make something happen along the boards. Slides it back to the blue line. Denies him with the save.
I wanted another look at this one. I'm sure you guys were all impressed as I was. What a save by the goalie.
We haven't even hit the midway mark of the period. 1-0 the score. And momentum on their side as they win the draw here inside the offensive zone. Takes the pass in the offensive zone. Across the point. Stops the rocket of a shot. Offensive zone face-off, and he wins the draw. Team Italy's got it in their own zone. Takes it across the blue line. Handles the puck at the point. Slides the puck over. That's a great heads-up play to break up the pass. Into the offensive end now. Here's an odd man rush. In close. Big-time save with the blocker. Pokes it away to keep the pressure on. Grabs the puck and looks to make something happen. Sends a pass over. And a stick in the lane ends that threat. Over the line they come. Grabs the puck here inside the offensive end. Shot from the point. Off a stick. Can't keep a hold of it. Knocked away. Fires it into the offensive zone. Through center along the wing. Looking to make something happen in the offensive zone. A chance right in front. Glove save. Quick reflexes.
Flashes the leather right in the slot on a difficult chance.
Center's jammed up and the winger grabs the puck. Now he takes it over the line. Takes a shot, and the shot dies in the traffic jam. Here they come on the attack. Italy's ready to go on the attack. Shot! Nice save by the keeper to trap that puck to his chest. Nearing the midway mark of the period. We got a 1-0 game to this point. Play resumes here as he wins the draw inside the offensive zone. Handles the puck. Maintains possession of the puck along the blue line. And that's blocked away. Norway's got it behind the net. Takes the pass. Up along the wing. And he easily stops that one. Gets control of the puck here in his own end. And as the puck is dropped, they win the draw here inside the defensive zone. Carries it in. Deflected away. Nice defensive use of the stick there. Into the offensive zone. Solid hit on the play, and that knocks the puck off his stick. Along the wing up the neutral zone. Fires one. Misses the net.
Not going to be happy with this. He's got the opportunity to score. Doesn't register a shot on goal.
Past the halfway mark of this period, 1-0 is where we sit at this point. Puck is dropped and we are back underway. Scoops up the puck here. And he slides it quickly to Zuccarello. Takes the feed at the back end. Quick pass to Zuccarello. Takes the feed. Puts the puck on net. Denied by the goaltender. And sends it just out of reach. Team Italy's got a hold of it along the wall. Oh, that's a good hit. Moves the puck. Moves it to Zuccarello. That's intercepted. Frank's carrying it ahead. Moved to the middle, right in the slot. Oh, denies him with the save. I think he got the blocker on it. Moves it quickly over to Larkin. Great defensive play to come up with the puck.
While they trail, he's trying to make something happen.
Lets it go, and he makes the save. Italy's got the puck in the defensive end. And now he angles it across to Frank. Chance right in front. Glove save, and he made it look simple.
He makes the glove stop right from the slot. That's a dangerous chance. Frank's trying to brace himself. He knows the hit's coming. But man, does he get leveled.
Play resumes as they win the draw here inside the offensive zone. And a great save.
He reacts late, but he makes the save through traffic.
Here's the pass. Huge play in his own end to come up with the puck. Comes up with the stop. Here in the back half of this period, we've got a 1-0 hockey game thus far. Nice start winning the draw here inside the offensive zone. Carries it across the line. Move to the middle. Into the corner of the attacking area. Puts it on net. Comes up with the glove save. Back underway as he wins the draw inside the offensive zone. With the stop. The frozen biscuits dropped, and we are back underway here. Brings the puck into the offensive end now. Takes the pass from the boards. From the blue line. The lane was plugged up, and that shot's blocked. He got all of that hit. Oh, great little takeaway at center. There's the whistle from the linesman calling an offside.
Oh, that's a good look from the guys in the truck there. Look how he lines them up, times it perfectly, and throws his shoulder right through him.
Good read by the winger as the two setters tie up. Grabs the puck here in the neutral zone. Forces the turnover in the neutral zone. Takes it across the blue line. Team Norway's got control of it now from their own end. Sends it across the ice. Grabs it in his own end. Here they are on the attack. Sends it across. Sends the pass down low. And that's broken up with a stick in front. And puts it anywhere but the way he wanted it to go.
Yeah, he's going to have to adjust the sights on that one. That thing's off target by a long way.
Picks up the puck in his own end. Over the line they come. Takes the feed at the point. Norway's got the puck along the boards. With possession along the wall. Here's a shot. Comes up with the stop. Player goes down to the ice. There's the referee's hand in the air. Looks like we got a tripping penalty on the way. And he's off to the box for 2 for tripping.
Not much of an argument there. A stick between the player's feet.
Another power play opportunity coming up here.
Sometimes you have to have the shortest of memories when you play on a specialty unit like the power play. It hasn't gone very well for them so far tonight. They have to attack this power play with a renewed vigor.
That sails over the net. Here's a chance to set up now. Lets the wrister fly. Gets in front of it.
Quick glove hand here. He gets the glove out to make the stop.
Here in the later stages of this period, 1-0 the score. Back underway, and they take possession here inside the offensive zone. Now a quick pass to Zuccarello. Way too much congestion blocks that, and manages to clear the zone. Team Norway's got a hold of it against the wall. Through the neutral zone, moving the puck along the side. And that skips away on a nice defensive deflection. Quick feed to Larkin. Lets one go. Comes up on the blocker save. Norway's got the lead here late in this first period. And momentum on their side as they win the draw here inside the offensive zone. And that one's broken up. Here they come on the attack. Nice pass. Inside the offensive zone, takes the pass from along the boards. Back at the point, they set it up. Penalty has expired, both sides back to even strength. Denied by the goaltender.
You're always angry when you don't score on the power play, but 80% of the time you don't. Yet it becomes really frustrating when you let one slip away.
Team Norway's been the better team here in this first period. More shots and more goals, just a better all-around execution. While the centers are jammed up, nice job by the winger to steal the puck. Here's a chance right out in front. In front, the puck stopper gets on top of it. We'll get a little stoppage in play here, Ray.
Yep, goalies are going to jump on it as quick as they can anytime around the front of the net.
Norway's execution has been on point so far here in this first period. Puck is dropped and he wins the draw here in the defensive zone. Clock ticking down here inside the first period. Team Norway's got the puck inside the defensive zone. From the left side, it moves to the middle of the ice. Centering pass in front. Big save. Through center along the wing. Puts it on net and makes the save. Right up the gut. Here they go. Pass back to the point. Oh, he misses the net.
Not by much, but I guess it really doesn't matter, right? If it's not on net, it can't go in.
Fair point. The first 20 minutes of this one is all said and done with as the horn sounds. We've got a 1-0 game here after the first 20 minutes of play.
Don't forget to check out our top 10 moments in hockey history. You can find it on our
Both teams heading down the tunnels. We'll take a quick breath ourselves and be back for the second period. Clean sheet of ice. Period 2 is set to go. Well, after an intriguing opening period, here we go. It's period number 2. Puck is dropped, and we are underway. Ray, we've already got 20 minutes under our belt here. What are your thoughts of this one so far?
Norway's been just about perfect so far. They've got the 1-goal lead. A lot of it is territorial control. They've got the majority of the shots.
And that one's stopped.
Quick hands. Not only does he get a glove on it, he catches it, which is hard to do.
Norway's got the lead on the scoreboard. A big reason of that has been the amount of pucks that they've been putting on net. Center's jammed up, and the winger grabs the puck. Carries it in. And now he moves it to Larkin. Takes a slap shot from the point. Team Norway's got the puck along the wall. Here's a short pass to Zuccarello. Moves the puck along the half wall. Team Italy's looking to break out of their own end. They've got the defense outnumbered. Into the corner. Takes the feed.
Oh,
Went headhunting there.
I think he did. Man, that thing is way over top of the net.
Stopped by the goaltender.
He's not going to face many more high-danger chances than that, but he snares that attempt.
Norway's got the lead here early in this second period. Their offense has been clicking on all cylinders thus far. Good read by the winger as the two centers tie up. Back on a stick now. Moves the puck into the attacking area. Lugs the puck into the corner of the offensive zone. Stopped by the goaltender.
Right from the most dangerous area on the ice, the goalie flashes the glove. That's an arrogant stop.
And there's the save. Sends the pass across the ice. Along the half wall with the puck. Grabs the puck in the defensive zone. Carries it across the line. Centering pass. Huge steal in his own end. Trying to lose a defender. And squandered opportunity there, Ray.
Hard to believe that's what came out of such a promising-looking play.
James Cybulski, Ray Ferraro with you here in the early going of this period. We got a 1-0 game to this point. While the centers are jammed up, nice job by the winger to steal the puck. Receives the pass. Move to the middle. A chance on goal. Wide.
Hit the net. No chance to score if you don't get the puck on target.
Puts it on goal. Blocker save. Team Norway's been the more aggressive team offensively, and they continue to lead here in the second. Offensive zone face-off, and he wins the draw. Sends it down low. Moves right to the middle, and a stick in the lane ends that threat. Back to the point it goes. Good hit on the play. Oh, they forced a turnover. This could turn into something. And he was slowed up. Hooking looks to be the call as the official's arm goes up in the air. A little too much stick and body hooking up on this one, hence hooking on the call.
Yeah, I didn't think this was a difficult call for the official to make at all.
And the man advantage unit goes right back to work.
You got to have a short memory on a power play. You haven't scored yet tonight, but that can't matter on this one. Get the puck back to the point, start moving it around, and get people converging at the net.
Gets it out of his own end. Slides away from his crease now to play the puck. Brings the puck into the offensive end now. Kind of lost control for a second there, but regains possession. Takes that pass back at the point. Knocked away. Puts it to the front of the net. Takes it across the blue line. Nice bank pass off the boards. Here's a blast. Way too high.
That's not going to do much good. A shot from the point that is a howitzer. It goes over the net. Who's going to tip that?
Heads deep inside the offensive zone. And he comes up with it. Norway's message going into this one when we talked to them at the morning skate was to get a lot of pucks on net. They've done just that, and they lead as a result. More time off the clock as they grab the puck. And manages to clear the zone. Team Norway's gained possession along the boards. Takes it across the blue line. Sends the pass over. Here's a shot. Makes the save. Italy's PK unit gets their man out of the box.
Well, the penalty killers can go back to the bench knowing they did their job. Score remains the same as it was when that penalty was taken.
Takes the pass from the left wing. Deflected away. Nice defensive use of the stick there. From the left side into the middle of the neutral zone. And that one's broken up by a great defensive play. Over the line they come. Drills them. Handles it again. A spirited battle along the boards for the puck. And now he moves it quickly to Larkin. Moves it around along the half wall. Norway's got a hold of it along the wall. And he gains the zone here. On the attack along the boards. Takes control of the puck. Slides the puck to Larkin. Pass right back. And that's broken up with a stick in front. Puck lands back onto a stick. That's a great heads-up play to break up the pass. Looking to make something happen along the boards. Slides the puck over. And it's a quick pass to Larkin. And that one's turned away. Up along the wing. Here's a shot and makes the save.
Wow, did the ice get small for him? There's nowhere to go, and he had to absorb this huge hit.
Inching closer to the midway mark of this period. 1-0 is where we sit at this point. Play resumes here as he wins the draw inside the offensive zone. Handles it along the blue line. Quick pass to Zuccarello. Wrist shot from the slot. Too much congestion in front. With the stop. Takes the pass from his goaltender. Into the offensive end now. Into the corner now. From the slot. Too easy with the glove. Team Norway's done a nice job of generating pucks on net, and as a result, they lead here in the second. Play resumes as they win the draw here inside the offensive zone. That's a solid check on the play.
You could see that coming. That was such a big collision. They were both on the tracks, and he's down. He looks like he's going to need some help.
A howitzer shuts him down.
Well-positioned save, and he has the rebound over in the corner.
Past the midway mark of the frame, James and Ray with you tonight. We've got a 1-0 hockey game thus far. Center's jammed up and the winger grabs the puck. From his own end, he picks up the puck. Puck dumped in. Norway's going to play the puck from behind the cage. Here they come on the attack. Nice defensive robbery on that. Looking to make something happen in the offensive zone. Takes the puck into the corner of the offensive end. Team Norway's got a hold of the puck. Team Italy's got the puck along the boards. Here's a chance right in the slot. Feeds it down low. Denied by the goaltender. Finds some space in the corner. Back to the blue line. Makes the save. Carries it in. Sends a pass over. Puts it on net. Oh, and it goes just wide.
Just wide, way wide, it doesn't matter. It's not on the net. He's got to get that at the goalie.
Right out in front. Shot redirected, and he gets a glove on it to keep it at bay.
Yeah, he got out tight to him, James. There's nowhere for that puck to go.
Norway's lead here in the second period, a direct result of being the more aggressive team offensively. Nice start winning the draw here inside the offensive zone. Blast from the blue line, and comes up empty. Carries it across the line. Looks to set up at the point now. With the backhand, that goes off the stick. Point-to-point pass. From against the wall into the open ice. Quick feed down low. Shot, and he makes the save. And he slides it quickly to Larkin. From in close. Stopped by the goaltender. Team Norway's message going into this one when we talked to them at the morning skate was to get a lot of pucks on net. They've done just that, and they lead as a result. Jostling for the puck, and he loses control. Italy's got a hold of it against the wall. No quarter given here as they battle for the loose puck along the boards. And the traffic jam in front blocks the shot. Offside the call, and we'll have a face-off just outside the blue line. James and Ray with you tonight. More than half the period has been played. 1-0 the score. Face-off here in the neutral zone, and we are back underway. Handles the puck. Lets it go. Big time stop there. Takes the pass. Brings the puck into the offensive end now. Here's a shot. Makes the glove stop. Late goings of this period. We got a 1-0 game to this point. Puck is dropped and we are back underway. There's the physical side. Along the wing up the neutral zone. With possession along the wall. Takes the feed. Team Italy's got it in their own zone. Moves the puck. Moves it to Larkin. Gets the full use of his stick on the poke check. Moves the puck along the half wall. Ahead of steam now towards the front. Comes up with the stop. From behind the net now, he scoops up the puck. Takes it across the blue line. Slides it back to the blue line. Tape-to-tape feed on the blue line. Centering pass. Right in front with the shot. Oh, how do you miss it?
Well, you miss it because you're trying to be perfect with it. Really good opportunity that he doesn't cash in.
Great read to break up the play. One-on-one with the goaltender. And he comes up with a big stop on the breakaway.
Almost like the shooter waited and the opening never came.
Gobbles that puck up with his chest. And we're going to get a whistle here.
I want to get another look at this one, James. This looks like it hurts. I'm glad I'm in a suit here.
Norway's been the better team tonight, and they lead as a result late in the second. And as the puck is dropped, they win the draw here inside the defensive zone. And he slides it quickly to Frank. Picks off the feed. Over the line they come. Nice pass. Hammers it. Oh, what a stop. Lugs the puck into the offensive zone corner. Good defensive stop with the poke check. Sends it quickly to Frank. Italy's looking to break out. Nice dish from the left wing. Moves it quickly over to Frank. Here's a chance. Oh, makes the save. That was a rocket. Takes the feed. Shot right in front. What a play defensively to block that. Second period nearly in the books here. Receives the pass. Grabs the puck. Here they come on the attack. Slides it across. And that skips away on the nice defensive deflection. With the stop.
I like how he was able to follow the puck. Good save in close.
Nice feed from the goaltender. And he puts that one aside with ease. And there's the wrap-up cue for period number 2. 1-0 is where we sit, setting up what should be a dramatic third period.
Willemins Recycling is a proud sponsor of tonight's game. Willemins Recycling.
Don't go anywhere. Third period is coming up, and it's coming up next.
To know more about their services, check out the website.
Italy's a skater short. Their player who was injured earlier will not be back tonight.
Thanks very much for the update, Ray. Moment of truth for one team. Here we go. Third period is underway. Ray Ferraro is between the benches at ice level. Ray, we've got 40 minutes played so far. How have you viewed things?
Team Italy's going to have to work not to get frustrated here. They've had by far the best chances. The other goaltender, though, has been brilliant tonight.
Keeps possession on the play. Too much congestion, blocks the shot. Carries it in. Now a quick pass to Zuccarello. Oh, just a textbook hit. Slides the puck near the front of the net. And that goes off a player in front. Larkin stick handling in his own zone. Along the half wall with the puck. And a stick in the lane ends that threat. Nice poke check inside the attacking zone. Gets a hold of the puck here at his own end. Here's a chance. Moves it around along the half wall. Along the boards, they battle for the puck back and forth. And now he moves it quickly to Zuccarello. Sends the pass over. Handles the puck at the point. Slides the puck over. Takes a shot. Team Italy's got the puck now. Picking up some steam at center ice. On the attack along the boards. Here he is, shot right in front. Locks him down in front of the net.
He worked hard to find the puck, but it's also because he's in great position.
Takes the feed at the back end. Takes a shot, and that one's blocked. Referee signaling delayed penalty. Looks like hooking will be the call. Hooking's the call. This is what they kind of call the lazy penalty these days,
yeah,
right?
It is, but really the problem is you're beat, and you panic, and you're trying to help. The more you help, the worse it gets. Go sit down.
And he certainly dug himself a hole there. Face off and another opportunity to take a look at the man advantage unit here.
The best power plays are the ones that are successful after they've failed. They haven't been very good tonight, but you have to wash that away, not let it affect the current power play.
Lob jam in front, that's broken up. And an easy glove save on the play. Team Norway's turned good defense into good offense as they lead it early in this third period. The frozen biscuits dropped and we are back underway here. Gets it out of his own end. Norway's got the puck along the wall. Carries it across the line. Takes the feed at the point. And a beautiful stop by the glove. Lots of time left in this period. 1-0 is where we sit at this point. And a solid job tying up his opponent. And manages to clear the zone. Team Norway's gained possession along the boards. Brings the puck into the offensive end now. Back at the point, they set it up. Knocked away. An attempt to clear the puck from deep inside his own end. And a big defensive play as they'll clear the zone on the penalty kill.
No mistake there. That puck had to go down the ice. It's down off the glass.
Here's an opportunity. And a solid effort by the penalty killers as we are back to even strength.
Well, they're not going to do a much better job than that last penalty kill all night. They've been really efficient killing penalties.
Comes up with the stop. Norway's got a hold of it along the wall. Looking to make something happen along the boards. Scrum ensues along the boards. Excellent stick work on the play. Team Norway's got the puck along the boards. Pass back to the point. Sends a pass over. Handles the puck. From off the wall and onto his stick.
Oh, I like this, James. They've really cycled the puck well on this shift. Now they can hold it, and you put the pressure on the defenders. Eventually, they pull you down, or you get a great chance.
Here's a chance in front. Stones him in front. Pins him against the boards as they battle for the loose puck. Kicked up ahead to his teammate who skates away. Lets it go from the slot, and that shot dies in traffic. Gets in front of it. Italy's got a hold of it against the wall. Slides the puck across to Frank. Takes it across the blue line. Back to the point it goes. And he stands tall in goal. Through the neutral zone, moving the puck along the side. Takes the pass. Can't get it to go. Tries to get it out of harm's way. And the goaltender jumps on top of that one to try to slow things down.
They needed a stoppage. They started to get a little scrambly around their zone, and they're looking for some help. Now they can reorganize. Ooh, you don't want to be on the receiving end of that. That is a freight train that went right over top of them.
Norway's got the edge in the shot department, a big reason why they lead here in this third period. Back underway as he wins the draw inside the offensive zone. Team Italy's got the puck along the wall. Takes the feed. Over the line they come. Moves the puck. Steps into all of that.
Well, after that hit, he's slowly working his way to the bench. He is not feeling very good.
Nice pass. And he misses.
That's a good scoring opportunity. He doesn't capitalize on a grade A chance.
And that's picked off. Looking to make something happen in the offensive zone. Takes that pass back at the point. Slides that one right across the blue line. Puts it on net. Oh, what a glove save! Past the midway mark in this period, we've got a 1-0 hockey game thus far. Good read by the winger as the two centers tie up. Takes the feed. With possession along the wall. Deflected away. Nice defensive use of the stick there. Team Norway's attempt to put more pucks on net has paid off as they lead it in the third. Off the draw, and he ties up his opponent. Here they come on the attack. Into the corner of the attacking area. Great defensive effort with the strip. Moves the puck along the half wall. Receives the pass. Just wide of the net. Norway's gained possession along the boards. Zuccarello's going to play it against the half wall. Sends the pass over. Oh, an even better save! Team Norway's been the better team tonight. They have turned good defense into solid offense, and they lead here in the third. While the centers are jammed up, nice job by the winger to steal the puck. Along the half wall with the puck. Moves the puck inside the offensive zone. Too much traffic in the lane. Lifts the stick and takes the puck. Norway's got it in their own zone. Carries it in. Slides the puck over. Throws it on goal, and that banks off a stick. Moves it around along the half wall. Puts it on net, and he comes up with a big-time save on that. Sends a pass over, and now he tries to get it across to Larkin. That goes wide.
Not really close with that. He got lots on it, but nowhere near the net.
Takes the shot, flies over the net.
I think he's trying to be too perfect. Get it on goal.
Oh, he's going to be feeling the regret on that one, though,
Yeah,
right?
you don't get many chances, and this one's not even a scoring chance because he doesn't hit the net.
Puck battle along the boards. Handles the puck. And that's broken up with a stick in front. They've got numbers. Into the corner. And it's a quick pass to Larkin. Kicked away. Nice pad save by the goaltender. And that skips away on a nice defensive deflection. Through center along the wing. On the attack along the boards. And a stick in the lane ends that threat. He grabs the puck here at the point. Nowhere for that shot to go through. Now he takes it over the line. Lugs the puck into the corner of the offensive zone. Handles it along the blue line. Goalie with the stop.
Those are the saves that are gifts from the goaltender. That looked like an automatic goal. He's able to make the stop.
Team Norway's offense, the story tonight as they lead it here in this third period. Puck is dropped and he wins the draw here in the defensive zone. Carries it across the line. Back to the blue line. Italy's looking to break out of their own end. Looking to make something happen along the boards. Lets it fly. Denied by the goaltender. Gets control of the puck here in his own end. Up along the wing.
This is a pretty good play here. There's nothing really magical to it. He just gets it into the offensive zone, and now he's going to hustle after it.
Looking to make something happen in the offensive zone. Team Italy's got a hold of it along the wall. Brings the puck into the offensive end now. Takes the pass. Takes that one right in the logo. And we're going to get a stoppage here as the referee blows the play dead.
Well, what a quick reflex stop that is. Great scoring chance.
Norway's not far from the finish line here as they lead it late in this third. Back underway, and they take possession here inside the offensive zone. Team Norway's got control of it now from their own end. Italy's got the puck along the boards. Tries to feed it across. Here's an odd man rush. With possession along the wall. Gets that puck back on a stick. Big stop by the keeper.
No time to take a breath. He made that first stop, and then the puck turns around on him again.
Centering pass! Too many bodies in the way. Takes it across the blue line. Looks to set up at the point now. Here's a chance behind the net, and makes the save.
We'll take another look at that stop he made just a couple of minutes ago. Really good work here with his team in the lead to stay on the shot and make the save.
Just here in the late stages of this frame, 1-0 the score. Good job tangling up his opponent here. Looks to pass it to Zuccarello. Moves the puck along the half wall. Snaps one from the slot. Oh, gets a glove on it to make the stop. A big draw looming here in the offensive zone. Puck is dropped and we are back underway. Along the wing up the neutral zone. Misses over the net.
Italy's night has been summed up right there. A missed chance here late in the third period. They've only got themselves to blame.
Wrists one, and the puck banks off the glove.
Aggressive stop out on top of the crease to make the save on a dangerous chance.
This is a face-off they'll definitely want to win here inside the offensive zone. Offensive zone face-off, and he wins the draw. Blocker save. Under a minute to go in the third. Another stop by the goaltender. Over the line they come. Lets it go. Oh, and a good opportunity right there.
You don't get many chances. You want to finish them off, so he'll be a little frustrated as he heads back up ice.
Too high. Wrist shot from the slot. Puck goes off the glove.
Now, that's in a dangerous spot. He makes a good save here. This is a dangerous opportunity, and he decides to try to overpower the goalie with the slapper. No goal.
Norway's been the better team offensively tonight. A lot of scoring chances, and they lead it late in this third period. Picks up the puck in his own end. Team Italy's got control of it now here in the offensive end. Great pass from the left wing. A chance to end it. Just wide. Fires to the empty net, and he scores, which should end it.
That should wrap it up. Pretty comfortable now with that empty net. Now that empty netter should wrap this up here. We're in the last little bit of the third period. That should be enough.
Norway's added to their lead with the empty netter, and Ray, that's pretty much all she wrote, I would say.
Well, you grind away to get the lead through this much of the game, and they pull the goalie, they're going to pressure you. You put it away with an easy one into the empty net.
Slides it back to the blue line. And out comes the extra attacker with the goaltender parked on the bench. Final horn has sounded, and that's all she wrote tonight. From a team standpoint, the win is obviously the most important, but boy, what an impressive shutout.
So good to play when your goaltender is that confident. You know that if you give up a chance, most likely he's in the middle of it. He was terrific tonight.
For my broadcast partner, Ray Ferraro, my name is James Cebulski. Thanks so much for joining us. Good night.
Yo, 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 yo. Uh-huh, uh-huh.